Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. Hatch is one of the top-rated nightlight plus white noise machine for babies and young kids. In this video, I'll show you the unboxing, setup, and review of the Hatch Rest 2nd generation smart sleep device. This smart sleep device features smart nightlight with infinite customizable color hues, sound machine with 11 preset sounds, and more with subscription, dimmable clock, Wi-Fi enabled app control from anywhere, customizable schedule. Now let me open it and take a look. Initial setup. Step 1. Connect to the power adapter. Step 2. Pair with the phone app. Step 3. Complete setup via the phone app. App controls. At the My Favorite section, there are 3 preset favorites. Tap the pencil icon to edit them. You may change the sound and/or nightlight color independently. You may set time schedule and adjust the nightlight brightness or sound volume. At the My Schedule section, you may add time for best schedule, you may set the time, customize the nightlight color, and select the sounds. Library tab shows you all the available sounds. The Unwind section is subscription only, with wide variety of sounds, music, and bedtime stories. The sleep section includes 11 free sounds. While the device is active, tap the status bar at the bottom to control. Tap the three-dot icon to show more options, including setting a timer. Physical controls. Light tap the metal ring to circle through the preset favorites. Long tap the metal ring to turn off. You may adjust the sound volume via the physical volume button. You may adjust the night light brightness via the physical light brightness button. Press the night light button in the middle to turn on a gentle white light without disturbing the sound. The front base is a digital display that shows the current time. It will also show which favorite setting you are on when you light tap the metal ring. Here are my final thoughts of this HedgeRest 2nd generation smart sleep device. Pros: simple and elegant design, easy to set up, highly customizable. Cons: Unwind library needs subscription, can't play your own music. Overall, the HedgeRest is a great nightlight and sound machine combo device designed to keep kids to learn sleep routines. It's a must-have for new parents. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time!